Hello and welcome back. Today, we've got something truly special in store for you. We've scoured the market to bring you the ultimate guide to the best battle ropes of 2023. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of battle ropes and find the perfect fit for your fitness routine. Signature Fitness. We first received the Signature Fitness battle rope in 1.5-inch and 2-inch diameter versions. The variety of lengths available, including 30 FT, 40 FT, and 50 FT, enables a broad range of workouts and intensity levels, making them perfect for both beginners and expert fitness aficionados. The polydacron material utilized in these ropes is strong and resilient, offering a secure grip and minimum wear even after multiple vigorous sessions. I liked the 1.5-inch and 2-inch diameter alternatives best, since they accommodate different hand sizes and workout preferences. Just.smile battle ropes are up next. But it also adds an extra degree of security by preventing fraying. It's a clever touch that illustrates the manufacturer's dedication to lifespan and durability. The availability of 1.5-inch and 2-inch diameter choices is a significant benefit. It is designed to accommodate users with varied hand sizes and training preferences. I chose the 2-inch diameter because it gives a superb grip without straining my hands during high-intensity exercises. The thickness and weight of the rope are ideal for providing a hard, full-body workout, and I can feel the burn in my muscles after each session. SPRI. Following that comes the SPRI battle rope. This 18-foot-long, 1.5-inch thick rope has proven to be a robust and adaptable piece of workout equipment that assists me in meeting my fitness objectives. Before anything else, it's designed to survive strenuous workouts and exhibits little wear and tear even after lengthy usage. With this combat rope, setup is a breeze. While it does not include any extra attachments, such as an anchor strap or carabiner, the adaptability of the SPRI battle rope is one of its most notable features. Despite its simplicity, it may be used for a variety of workouts that target various muscle areas. Keepark. Next up are the Keepark battle ropes. These combat ropes have numerous notable qualities that set them apart. Most importantly, the addition of a steel anchor and strap is revolutionary. It makes it simple to set up the ropes, and I can tie them to a number of anchor points in my home gym. The anchor and strap are both strong and dependable, ensuring that the ropes stay in place even during strenuous workouts. This convenience saves me time and allows me to concentrate on my workouts. Keepark battle ropes are available in a number of lengths to accommodate different fitness levels and space restrictions. The rope is made from high-quality materials. It appears to be well-made and robust, and I expect it will handle repeated usage over time. Capelli. Finally, I incorporated the Capelli Sport battling ropes into my workout program, and they proved to be an excellent complement for both strength training and aerobic sessions. While the length is limited at 20 feet, it still allows for a variety of workouts to target different muscle groups, such as waves, smashes, and spirals. The rope thickness offers appropriate resistance without being too hard on the hands, making it suitable for both novices and seasoned workout lovers. Keep in mind that these ropes do not come with an anchor or a strap. You must secure them to a strong anchor point in your training area. While this requires a bit more setup, it also provides greater versatility in terms of where you may utilize the ropes. The braided style of the Capelli Sport battling ropes gives a secure grip. I haven't had any sliding or discomfort even after tough exercises when my hands are sweaty. This grip strength guarantees a more secure and enjoyable exercise experience. And there you have it. We hope you found this review informative and helpful in making your fitness equipment decisions. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more reviews and fitness tips, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the like button below.